Alright guys, so I'm here in the middle of nowhere, and that's because I got díky. So I got a flat tire. So yeah, I got it on the highway. It looks like rim is fine, and yeah, this is my first flat tire after like 5 years, and there is no spare tire in the A-Class, so, and in many new vehicles there is no new spare tire, so you essentially need to wait for someone to pick you up and take you to the nearest Mercedes-Benz service, and they will hopefully repair that. So I called the Mercedes Me button. First I called the SOS button, and that's not necessary, they told me. And then I called Mercedes Me, and they told me where I am. Actually, they asked me how is the damage, and I said it looks it's just like probably only tire, because everything looks fine. And good thing is I had the tires pressure monitor on the dashboard, so I immediately saw that there is a leak of the pressure. So I slowed down and got here to the most safe like a distance, because just there is a highway, so I didn't want to stop on the highway because it's too much traffic, so I stopped here. And yeah, so now I'm waiting for someone to call me and pick me up and repair that. So yeah, that was just a traffic announcement from the radio. So yeah, I'm just on the way to shoot some video, but I just got a flat tire, so I'm shooting this video now. And yeah, I was a little bit in a shock when it happened, but hopefully it should be resolved very soon. So yeah, I wanted to show you. Okay. So you need to put a set hazard lights on, that's obvious. And actually here we have the SOS button, and you only press this when is there like a bad emergency and on the live, etc. When you have like a flat tire or a car is broken, then we need to press this button, and it will connect you with the Mercedes-Benz phone operator. And yeah, this is what happened. So you need to wait till someone will pick you up and then drove you to the nearest Mercedes-Benz service and repair the tire. So while I'm here, I can actually press this to have some heating from the steel engine, which is hot. And yeah, so I can show you my car, because yeah, I'm still waiting here for them to pick me up. So yeah, I have here some space. This is my head, quite deep. This storage, you can have one bottle here. And I have these rubber floor mats. So we can actually turn on the ignition here. And yeah, the tire monitor told me, see, check tire. Tire is only to 60, 40, okay. And we have also this message which says observe traffic, and actually you should put the west on and emergency triangle here. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay guys, so I have my vest on. Okay, so should place it like, I don't know, like a safe distance I don't want to put it like super far away, so I think this is fine here. And this was in the car, and yeah, this is my first time actually to place triangle here on the road. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so one more time, check the tires. Definitely, I thought it's like a broken sensor at first. That was my like hope, inner hope, that it is only broken, the sensor, but sensor is fine, but the tire is not fine. So it's definitely not possible to drive with this. I don't really like to use the tire kit because it has like foam inside. Then it's a problem to change the tire, and the foam will get everywhere here, and it's not really good right now for me. So guys, also what I did, they asked me for the GPS coordinates. So you open some kind of map. I opened the Google map, or you can Apple map open. Then you tap on the place where you are at the moment and scroll down, and there will be like GPS coordinates. So you tell those numbers to the person on the eCall, SOS, not SOS, Mercedes Me button. Yeah, it wants
to repeat your input, please.
Yeah, I just said Mercedes. So yeah, they just told me I need to wait, and they will call me and pick me up. So yeah, that's what happened. And she asked me about the tire size. So I told her my tire size is 225 R18, and she asked for the brand of the tire. So I said it's a Pirelli tire. Okay, so yeah, I'm waiting now. I need to, for the future, I need to buy like a full-size disc and tire and put it in my trunk somewhere, because yeah, in that way it would be quicker for someone to come and change it here. So I actually wanted to do that, but I said I didn't had puncture on my tire for so many years, so I wanted to do that for summer. Actually, I was already checking the website with the wheels and with the tires, so I will definitely do that for the when I come back home, actually. So yeah, and yeah, that's also my advice to you, that you should consider purchasing the full-size tire, but you need to put it in the trunk, because under the cover there is not enough place for in some cars. I saw in the GLE yesterday there was enough place, but in the A-Class there is no space, because there is subwoofer and you have only the tire kit. So I cannot really show you under the boot floor, because I have some stuff there, like baggage. So yeah, that's that, and when something happens I will try to film it as well. So guys, this is the next day now, and at the Mercedes-Benz They had one spare tire and they sold it to me. So this is Continental summer tire, and this is Conti Sport Contact, what is it, 5? And the same size as I have my winter tires. So I drove like this for, I don't know, like 350 kilometers. And here is Soto 03. So this was at the back and I put it on the front so I can drive like this. And now I'm changing for my summer tires, which are Michelin Pilot Sport 4. So yeah, that's my update for now.